All right, and you can't just go more porcupine stand so. The name again is Obed Champion. You can call me Sir Obed. Subscribe to the account. Subscribe it. They say once a consistency in Abba. They say no, KK say a buy no. Where 1 week ni enko break bi mo. You cook the keja gumu tattoo sa. Fe na nyoman say Saturday kwa commentary ni beba. Live commentary. Bechem Kotoko. KK ko bechem. On the bag na ebo na chia ko bechem na meso me wa ha. Nti arrival obetwa aba. Commentary no yegum wa ha. Ahihye bibia nyame na yeboafo mo so mo taa echi. Eda mo nyina amase. Well, and in some way, so subscribe to the account. The question had to do with DCOP Lydia Donkor. Essay Asante Kotoko chita fwa omone Kotoko nations. Mentemo asibi because omo pie mu park no so no. E de omo court. Na eno na creative discussions ba from every corner. Na ebisa o between fine match ban. So I will me ban you be from the stadium by 1 year. Into stadium there. All football activities you have been banned from it. Me as a final. And I will some more community labor. So we are born here and fanning to me a man community labor. I was sorry I'm a a prep here. Think away no the more community labor. The bobo baba we be a ma ban won ko be banned from going there, but the boy we cut cleanness no na mo clean baba. Any jail. Which of these 4 things do you think say you introduce Super Ghana football settings no ma a bit me fight hooligans from the individual point, not from the club point. The club point in the honor me I call for points deduction, but from the individual's point. Should it be a fine, match ban, communal labor, or a jail? Because my mere friend Lydia Donkor Niabre said Obesisanyoma, which we all want her to change things, but you must also look at the beauty of the game. Say Yeveye Totonyoma in accordance with it. Inti, that's the question I bisa. Fine, ban, jail, and now community service. And our communal service. Emu den na ho ne say yam introduce Ghana football safety and security measures on ebra hooligans a misbehaving. This is Porcupine Stand and yebeko in seminum. Now weekend Kotoko ni bechem and one sem deja it could be a video section. Mechia ya na mo bi a good evening yen to aso data board nti ana mpese me connect them on fanchem. Enti ade na say there will be a video section. Kumasi Asante Kotoko company for monitor Bechem United FA Cup game on my boy. Yes. Enti there will be a proper analysis of that match. Omode be kyerem rantie no ama omahu di ekoso na sane e wo pese oto bobo obi no bi super so oto bi bon Bechem United technical director a coach Otiakente omo 2 video analyst into Kotoko for me ka kyerem say na ochu emuhu new faces bi adakwaja achi amonya careful because from what I know they will be there on Thursday and Ochana Wednesday. Bechem United, the scouts, eba adakwaja achi to come and monitor Kotoko training. China any Thursday because someone say ube too kwan no fiada. Bechem de say be 2 hours there, but anya dia team no be da Kumase. Ube too kwan. Na mo free baby am wona call. Nti ebe den say Friday Kotoko be training anopa na ewi omoko. Nti ochina training ne ya wada training ne ho na coach Ogumeye ne neoma no ti omo beba ti momo ani nda ho ti se mosu beba obi akọ scout ti omo dia momo obi nko but omo so no from what I've been told agama ya adwuma Bechem omo onioma pa keke omo onioma nti omo so ye Kotoko video sessions whether the 3 back or the 4 back you know omo so plan for it against Kotoko nti men Kotoko training routine bebre but intelligence ma pick carefully bechem na me de amamu ti se ne mu be ye bechem for video session no omo so be ye mo de nti mu ntutum ne o ma yi na ochina Thursday and then Wednesday na NSA na no call you me dey say na Tuesday any na mo ba ho any na mo ba okay no na Kotoko ye training mienu and no mo be ba any na mo be ba ho cause on be na area Wednesday area that means they'll be coming there no ochina ma san ba okay nti ochina and a Kotoko benya the guest surprise visit from some section of the supporters member that kwaja achaba besram na omone matoto nyama yi de metimi de amamu ano no men concept no bebre na Wednesday wow yanto aso ekasare and mkwala they are all back they are back mo ba be adwuma e de ma Asante Kotoko e wo ho in terms of suspension ochina member of suspension no as to Kotoko players that can play and the Kotoko players that cannot play this particular match. The issue of special bonus for Asante Kotoko no correct. Menyan NTSA in Penifua plan a special winning bonus for the playing body. Our game on Bebo against a year. Bechem United say baby duru na duru okun mu odin. In Penifua planning a special winning bonus. The ama playing body in senior so mutimi di nkunima womo e de be mo na omo de atwitwa age omo ho e wo mo match omo kwakobo against Bechebenti likely I'm choosing my words carefully but Kotoko players no away near 700 nkunimbi ne ba against Bechema nhyehyɛ me picking as a bit me 1,000 Ghana each if mutimi ko Bechem e ko she Bechem United. This is an incentive package Penifua air planning ediama the playing body no na watimi ahu de ekosene at least musumani ebetimi age na modern bono etimi aso ye na watimi akọ makonya a decent resource against Bechem United. So I'm picking a winning bonus increment of 1,000 Ghana cedis ebetimi akọ for the Asante Kotoko players against Bechem. Now asemo Asante Kotoko ne NSA nsem no ma memfa nkyere mu mbrem okay December Kumasi Asante Kotoko and the National Sports Authority in the game Kotoko ne RT boy no there were some personalities na ticket won sensem no ticket no won sensem no ebedani deja Asante Kotoko release statement kesiye baako signed by the administrative manager Emmanuel Newton Dasuberi telling the whole world say they are grabbing the matter and asem no munja menka krom ha no danto ahene wa ha semba entine ese asemba nya obotre o krom ha no gol danto ahene wa ha danto ahene so bamu a na amana e bibie ho na no say me follow up cases so me follow up. From what I've been told, there was a compensation to Asante Kotoko. That is not official. That means me can't. Official, official. There was a compensation to Asante Kotoko, unofficial source. And in Penifo, who said the NSA free any one egro, any one the Digiman Tino. The Antoine Hennebem, maybe I be able to if I could see opinion so. You have no other choice. But one thing that happened is within the NSA system, there was an internal punishment for personalities. To the extent that the NSA decided, say, changes on say Professor Peter Chumesi Krasano. But baby, I transfer nipa bi afri Asante region kona no. Yes, I know, and that is from official source. The compensation is not from official source. So I cannot really confirm it, but it will be in the demand. And other ones in regards to the settlement of the issue and the transfer of these personalities ne de asi. The transfer mo e de omo kwa akiri pa. Nti omo an omo the offices na ye po obudin say on say ticket ne ba nipa na no gate no. Now he was trying to draw certain people in no. So uncle for ni na transfer omo e de omo call other places and baby e transfer akọ no. One how promotions will be affected. So as part of measures, you transfer now promotion so you delay ne kakra. Nti e bia senka afiwe na abenya promotion ama o salary akosra. You transfer now promotion so no. E bia atena so. Nti se wa for the 4 years ne a promote omo a e bia wo de ne be 8 years because of the issue that happened. But from what I've been told, asem no ma solve no and esi a enko ba bia bia ti say we expect say e be deja. This is what I'm getting. It's been fixed and it will end there. Esi nti o ma pressure baby affects asem no. For me, I have my own reservations with regards to the issue, but chichimu na eba no, well, you can't really say much. But me personally, I felt that esenka asem no kotokotwimu pa twimu pa try nipa na transfer na enye enough. And because official source me bisa na say ye ma kotoko compensation or say ontimi nka ho asem. But an unofficial source catch them and say they compensated Kotoko. There was a projected compensation which will be deducted from the salaries of Nipa Ebo Mudino. But and here unofficial. But official one here say a esi. Yentuaso. Yambra DCOP Lydia Donkor. Oni Asante Kotoko chita for the nsebu. Asem no ano ding. Last week ena me be break you ha say Ghana ne Nigeria ho. Ghana ne Nigeria bona. Eni nya report wo Central say Asante Kotoko chitafo bi aba be din senseme. Our regional office. Yadwuma no di obi ka kire no say ofa kire nti ekọ ho. Ikun lawyer Safuduku na apenkra kwasi awua Richard Akoto Asante Kotoko Secretariat and apenkra kwasi of Kotoko IMC. Chairman K5, former Asante Kotoko NCC and patron. Ekuhu omo lawyer Safuduku was the lawyer. Ekuhu Chumberema. At that time, Bubo Dini but Mambo Chumudin for some reasons. I want any information so it's a Baba, as I saw the Habib, as a Habibuba, as a one man, as saw Sibo, as saw Munaba, na Omdiomo, Ebe Ghana police, a one commercial course. Friday, na mesa catcher or saying, yan in tear. Say case non person de court. And then Mami Lydia Donkor abe confirm some de mo court. Omunyo mo ko twene den. Enya asem ketwa o. Den. Asem na asem no Mami Lydia Donkor was appointed 2 months ago. Na Asante Kotoko ni defense ni eti awase insem pii na asisi within this period. Na emu me denti na omo de na ye ya fa no gidigidi World Cup. Ye pese ye twe omo aso a ebu aso. Na mpanimfo di nkomo wa akiri. As to say Mama Lydia Donkor ebe go ne nsem will be another story altogether. Because they may pick free the contest ni say you want to make a statement with this particular one. They say do a chiripa. Kotoko raising defense about officiating. Kotoko raising defense. A whole lot of conversation is ongoing. But what I can say is that harding, a harding. They see an action, they see and try. But you know, but will be beyond. Now, Uncle Fancy be amba. As to say F in the to show that Asante Kotoko I don't see that happening because if you now appointing my friend in Lydia Donkor, and I'm your mind some between China name and when you made your bayon. So it will be up to Asante Kotoko lawyers and Asante Kotoko as a club to come out with the best defense to save a year the workers no, and now to save any stewards no. Na omuhu de ko but as it stands now ne de asem no ayere pa so papa. Na no na chairman K5 dia to ga say sabotage. You all know chairman K, but say sabotage. Now they want to calm the Kotoko fans down. Now me nyan ntie say asem we no ye wa Asante Kotoko chitafo ni bia omusu decide say omunim no ni ebe wi ase na de Asante Kotoko chitani bi kotum ebra bebre si wo Ghana na enyo obi ahwea ene e blasters no so no omuso ne de baba sports stadium so no emsiro na whether Kotoko supporters na baba support blasters or baba ya nyira nim se blasters mbebo na nipa bu baba ya na the next Kotoko game no na nipa nko bo so ayo ma den sen ye muso no kwan bia so so be fa so if ye the Kotoko chita ni bia tu kwan bia so be fa so ama blasters so feel comfortable kumase no so be ti asem no aye den ampeni focus uka but nsɛmum ma medicine bo pa o se adwuma na waje so obeye enti ye hwe de be kwa akosi Kotoko no make comment about aduana obi say ma amene so take the matter on but the disadvantage is that not Kotoko was on TV so easily these personalities no were captured on camera but other venues na kwa akoyese na eden aduana de na outside the gates and as I incident ni see but stadium hono when your video bia obo so obi e call referee so obi bo obi ti e hono so no e ya asem da ho aye tasene badwem bam na ya hwe ho asem aka ne kama friend family si ochina ya kem nyina na de abram bye bye.